Hey YouTube, this is an updated bike check of the Eastern Growler. The frame is stock, forks are stock, bars are stock. I got the rims are stock, the hub is stock. Yeah, all that stuff's stock. But I got a new Eastern stem for it. New Eastern stem. I got my old pedals broke on me, like the grip wore away, so I got new ones, the same ones. But I might get Odyssey Twisted DCs next. I got myself a new seat, Shadow Conspiracy seat. It's a really nice seat. I like it. I got myself a nitrous seat post. You can see, I don't think it's a label, but yeah, nitrous seat post. Eastern freaking tire, front tire. Same in the back. I'm gonna get animal GLH tires for it. Got a shadow screen sprocket. I got my Shadow half track chain. Odyssey A brake pads. Yeah. Animal bar ends in purple. Kind of look like they're blue right here, but they're purple. Shadow 13 grips. And that is about it. I'm gonna get new parts for it soon, so look for my next bike check out. Alright, thanks for watching.